Dr. S.R. Ranganathan has initiated Indian Library Association in the year 1933 for the promotion of library promotion and was the founder president. He has adopted 5 public library bills, out of which Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra have enacted during his lifetime, and West Bengal has enacted after his demise. Based on Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's ideologies, at present, 20 states in India have passed public library bills. The staff formula was also recommended by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan to schools, colleges, universities, public libraries, and special libraries. Dr. Ranganathan was the first professor in library and information science. He has served the chairman for the library and information science subject in the UGC during 1957. Many institutions have considered his achievements and awarded honorary degrees. In 1952, British government has awarded him Rahu Sahib Award. The government of India awarded Padma Shri Award in the year 1957. How in physical sciences, Newton and Einstein are very important as the world has recognized them. Similarly, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan to library and information science profession. He is the legendary in the library and information science world. Being a towering versatility personality, the world recognized his lifetime contributions. So, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan has born poor even though he has died on 27th September 1972 as an international figure as a great scientist. In the year 1992 was the year celebrated as the centenary year of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan all over the world. The government of India as well as the government of Karnataka have declared August 12 as Liberation Day for its celebration. As we are celebrating September 5th as Teachers' Day every year. Padma Shri S.R. Ranganathan's birth celebration on today, August 12, is the most significant one, as he is the foot and butter to all the employees who are working in the field of library and information science, documentation centers, and in various technical fields where information processing takes place, in which Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's canons, principles, postulates are practiced. As he is the brainchild of classification, cataloging, indexing, abstracting, canons and postulates, which are not only useful to library and information science professionals, but also to the entire academic community. So, his contributions are worth recognizing to the entire library community. In the real sense, he is the Annadata of all of us. Again, I repeat, he is the Annadata of all of us. So, the libraries and libraries and schools celebrate Librarians Day on 12th August every year to pay tribute to the departed soul of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan and remember his contribution and also motivate library and information science professionals and also to promote library usage culture among the public. Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association on 12th August celebrates Librarians Day by arranging invited talks and facilitates the retired library professionals and doctoral degree holders and special achievers in our profession. Since 4 years, the association is awarding Professor A.K. Burgol Endowment Best Librarian Award to the library professionals who have done exceptional contribution to our profession. Today, I am very happy to inform you that we have invited a very highly dedicated, committed library and information science professional to speak as a keynote speaker. He is none other than our good friend, a senior library professional, Dr. M.N. Prasad, who will be speaking on the relevance of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's philosophy in present scenario. Added to this, the specialty of this program is the webinar is hosted by the University College Mangalore, a very prestigious higher education institution where Dr. Ranganathan has served, started his career from this great institution. The principal of this prestigious institution, the great academician, Madam Dr. Anasuya Rai, who is presiding over this program. This is also one more added feather to our this program. This year, due to COVID-19, the pandemic, we cannot arrange a formal function. So we are organizing the program in a virtual way as we are observing it. In the meantime, before half an hour, the hosting college, the University College Mangalore, headed by the principal of the college and of the very dynamic librarian of the college, Madam Dr. Vanaja, they have formally celebrated Ranganathan's Day by offering petals to the portrait of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan and paid their tribute to him. Before moving on, I would like to make one announcement here. I am very sad to inform you that our two library and information science professionals have passed away last year. Those are Dr. Professor A.K. Barador, who was the beloved professor of many of us, passed away on 10th February 2020. He was a towering and very versatile personality. His contributions are immense for the development of the profession. And one more dynamic librarian was Dr. T.Y. Mallaya, who was the deputy librarian of Mangalore University Library. On behalf of the members of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association and all the members who are watching this webinar, let us pray God for the dedicated souls, departed souls of both the professionals to rest their soul in eternal peace. Now we are moving towards the actual program. We have with us Madam Prabhavati K, the librarian, Akshaya College, Puttur, who will lead us with prayer. Madam Prabhavati, I think you are online, and over to you, madam.
I won't let see like it.
Vijnanarasyarupamadhikam प्रचन्नवित्तं धनं विद्याभोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या विद्याबन्धुजनो विदिशगमने विद्या परदेवता विद्या राजपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशु.
Thank you very much, madam. In fact, you have led us with a very melodious song, praying God for the success of this program. I also pray Almighty for the success of our profession and all activities. Thank you very much for your very melodious song. Thank you very much. Now, I request the president of our association, the selection grade of librarian of SMS College Brahmava, Udupi District, Karnataka State. He is also the principal of that prestigious college, to welcome the guests and the participants who are watching this webinar. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Ellarigu Shubha Munjane. Very good morning to everybody. Greetings to all on the occasion of Librarians Day. It is my pleasure to invite you all to this webinar on relevance of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's philosophy in the present scenario. Dr. Anasuya Rai, Principal, University College, Mangalore, is with us as President of this Librarians Day and the webinar. We, the Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association and University College Mangalore, extend a hearty welcome to you, Madam. Welcome you, Madam. Sri M. N. N. Prasad, former librarian, Government First Grade College, Tumkur, and presently President of Karnataka State College Librarians Association, is the chief guest. Sir, on behalf of the Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association and University College, Mangalore, we extend a warm welcome, sir. A cordial welcome to Executive Committee members, library professionals, all the invitees, senior library professionals who are with us, though they are retired but not tired, and media people, both print and soft. We also welcome Dr. Vanaja Madam, librarian of University College, Mangalore, and also the organizing secretary of this webinar, staff member of University College, Mangalore, and all others who have joined us. ಈ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾದ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome. A warm and sweet welcome to you too, sir. And now we are moving for the next program. I request Madam Dr. Rekha Dipai, who is an associate professor in library and information science, Kasturba Medical College, Manipal, and also the chief librarian of MIT Manipal, to introduce the guests to the guests and all the participants, the guests and principal of the college who is presiding over the function to the participants. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. Greetings of Librarians Day to all the library professionals. On behalf of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association, it is my proud privilege to introduce Dr. Anasuya Rai, President of this function. Dr. Rai, Principal, University College, Mangalore, is a well-known personality among the academicians. She was serving the college as Senior Assistant Professor before she took over as Principal on 31st March this year. She was graduated from St. Agnes College, Mangalore. During her college education, she was awarded National Merit Scholarship from central government as a credit for her intelligence. She completed her post-graduation M.Com from Mangalore University. Madam Anasuya completed her PhD under the guidance of Professor P. Subramania Edapadithaya, the present Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University. She has served several institutions: Vijaya College, Mulki, Government First Grade College, Beltangadi, FMKMC College, Madikeri, to name a few. She has also worked as coordinator of M.Com department and special officer of Mangalore University. She has guided 8 research scholars for their PhD. As a principal, now she is very active in the overall development of the college and has more concern towards the library. I was told by Dr. Vanaja, librarian of University College, Mangalore, that Madam is the regular visitor of the library and gives her inputs for the improvement of the library. This shows her concern towards our profession. Thank you, Madam. With this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Anasuya Rai, President of today's function. Now, I would like to introduce our chief guest and resource person of the webinar, Mr. M.N.N. Prasad. On behalf of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association, I am happy to introduce Mr. M.N.N. Prasad, a former librarian, CFGC Tumkur, and chief guest of and resource person of today's webinar. Mr. Prasad is a very senior professional in the field of library science with 35 years of experience. He is a postgraduate in library and information science from Bangalore University and also has MSc degree to his credit. He got his MLISc in the year 1986. He has served different government first grade colleges in Karnataka and developed the libraries of those institutions to greater heights. He is a librarian's leader who has served as President of Karnataka State College Librarians Association, Bangalore for 2 terms. During his period, he has tried to solve various problems of working librarians by arranging various dialogues with the Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka, that is with Education Minister and also Chief Minister. We are very proud to inform you that during the period of Mr. Prasad as President of the Association, many problems of librarians were solved and librarians got recognition and all the facilities. During his period, he has organized a number of seminars, conferences, and workshops under the umbrella of Karnataka State College Librarians Association. Mr. Prasad has been superannuated from his service on 31st July 2021. On this special occasion, we, the members of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association, wish him a very happy, healthy, and contented retired life. Hope he will continue his passion towards the profession and help the professionals in his own way. With his vast experience, definitely he will enlighten all of us today as resource person of the webinar. With all the best wishes, I welcome you once again, sir, to this webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you, folks.
Thank you very much, madam, for introducing the dignitaries of this today's very precious program with your sweet words. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Every year in the Librarians Day, Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association is felicitating the retired professionals, the achievers, doctoral degree holders, and also Mangalore University first rank holder in MLISC. I request the General Secretary of our association, Dr. Rashik Kumba, who is the Senior Librarian of Government First Aid College Udupi, to introduce them on behalf and also on behalf of our association, wish them for their future. Sir, Dr. Voti, sir, Dr. Kumba.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning to all. I wish you all a happy Librarians Day. On the occasion of Librarians Day celebration, we felicitate superannuated professionals, doctoral awardees, and university rank holders. This was a tradition being followed by Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association during pre-COVID period. But now, due to COVID-19 situation, we couldn't felicitate the well-deserved. However, I take this opportunity to wish Professor D. Shivalingaya, former professor and chairman of Department of Library and Information Science, Mangalore University, Bangalore, for his superannuation in the month of June 2021. He did MA in Rural Development in the year 1983, Master's degree in Library and Information Science in the year 1985 from Bangalore University, and doctoral research PhD in the year 1995 from Mangalore University. He worked as library assistant at Nimans, Bangalore from 1985 to 1987. From 87 to 1995, he worked as a documentation officer at Bangalore University, at Mangalore University Library. In the year 1995, he joined as a reader in the Department of Library and Information Science, Mangalore University, and promoted as professor in the department in the year 2003. He was a chairman of the department, dean of the Faculty of Science and Technology, and member of the Syndicate and Academic Council, Registrar Evaluation of the Mangalore University. In the year 2009, he joined as a Registrar Administration of Tumkur University. Till 2016, he worked there in various capacities like Dean of Science and Technology and in charge Vice Chancellor of the Tumkur University. In the year 2016 March, he was appointed as Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Open University, Mysore, and he received Rashtriya Gaurav Award, Certificate of Excellence, Best Citizens of India Award from various recognized organizations. Under his guidance, 6 research scholars have completed their doctoral research, 2 are in progress. And he has published more than 70 research articles in various national and international publications. And he has edited 46 books and editor-in-chief of 5 books, and organized nearly 100 seminars, conference, workshops, and training programs on various topics of our profession. He has visited 5 countries, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Dubai on various academic assignments. And one more library professional, Sri P.V. Abraham, Senior Assistant Librarian of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, for his superannuation in July 2021. He did master's degree in history and master's of library and economic science from Bangalore University in the year 1991. He has served as a lecturer in the history at St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, and later he joined MIT Manipal as assistant librarian in the year 1995. He has published many research articles and in the national and international publications. He has immensely contributed to recognize MIT Manipal Library as one of the topmost library in the country. During his service, he was very supportive, friendly with the colleagues and professional friends. Thank you, Professor Shivlingaya and Sri P.V. Abraham, for your integrity and dedication in the profession. On this occasion, the office bearers and members of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association take this opportunity to acknowledge your service and wishes you an exciting and stress-free retired life. May your journey be filled with healthy and contentment in new page of your life. May your retired life be showered with abundant opportunities to fulfill your desires. By your superannuation, you are starting a new journey and exceptional chapter of your life. Cheers to your well-earned retirement, sir. And now the turn to doctoral awardees. I congratulate Dr. Vanija, the librarian of University College, Mangalore, who is also coordinating today's webinar, for successfully completing her doctoral research from Mangalore University under the guidance of Dr. Mudol on the topic of use of enlist e-resources by PhD students and faculty of Mangalore University. And I hope you continue to contribute to LIS research community. On behalf of the office bearers and the members of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association, take this opportunity to congratulate for the completion of PhD. And I also wish Ms. Sweta, who stood first in MLIS, who has qualified UGC NEET examinations during the course of program. And I wish her a great career, and I hope she continues with this academic excellence. With this, I conclude my best wishes and congratulations. Thank you, sir.
PhD holders detail you have not told, sir. Kumbar, sir.
Huh?
First rank holder, over.
Yeah, what did?
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Kumbar, for briefly introducing and wishing the retired librarians, doctoral degree holders, and also first rank holder in library and information science from Bangalore University. Thank you very much, sir. Now we move on to next item of today's program. In fact, Shri Prasad, sir, we are making small corrections here. Our Mangalore University UG and PG exams are going on. So today's president of today's function, the principal of our host college, the prestigious college, University College Mangalore, Madam Dr. Anusuya Rai is a very busy madam because she has to supervise all the exam activities. So in that reason, we are taking up the rendering presidential remarks by her, madam. Madam is a great academician, a great scholar, and a lover of libraries and library professionals. Now, Madam Dr. Anusuya Rai, over to you, madam, please.
Thank you.
Good morning, all. First of all, thank you, Mrs. Rita, for introducing me in a very beautiful manner. Today, we are celebrating Librarians Day, and through online webinar ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಇಂದಿನ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ MNN ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರೇ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಡಗು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳ ಗ್ರಂಥಪಾಲಕರ ಸಂಘದ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಈ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SR ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SR ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರು 1916 ಇಂದ 1921 ವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಿಚಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವತನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉದಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುದುಂಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಳಜಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಹು ದಿನಗಳ ಆಶಯ. ಈ ಬಯಕೆ ಈಡೇರುವಂತಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಮಾರು 70,000 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವಂತ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವನಜಾ ಅವರು ಅದರ ಗ್ರಂಥಪಾಲಕಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಿನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಏಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಓದುವ ಪರಿಪಾಠ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂಠಿತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿಗಳನ್ನು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ಇ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮನ್ನಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಾವು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಓದಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇಂದಿನ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆದ MNN ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವರ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಕೆಲಸದ ಒತ್ತಡದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ನ ಸಂಘಟಕರಾದ ನಮ್ಮವರೇ ಆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವನಜಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು, ಹಾಗೂ MC ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಗೌಡ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you very much, madam. We know that you are in fact very much busy. In spite of so much of busy schedule, you have become the part of this our Librarians Day celebration today. On behalf of especially as well as the Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association, in my personal behalf, I thank you, madam. We understand that you are busy as well as you are very much fond of libraries, librarians, and reading culture. And during your leadership, I am sure our library, the user community, particularly students and teachers, make maximum use of libraries and also become good scholars in the future. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Yes. Now we are moving on towards the very important focal point of today's program, the keynote speech by the today's chief guest of the day, the librarians leader, who has served more than 36 years as chief librarian of in many government first aid colleges, and at the last words he has retired from his he has superannuated from his service, and last month only he has been superannuated. During the 2 terms, he was the president of Karnataka State College Librarians Association, and during the period he has, as Madam Rekha D. Pai has introduced him, he has had so many dialogues with many top authorities to solve so many librarians' problems. A good academician and also a good leader of librarians. Today we are fortunate to have his present and as the chief guest of the day, and he is going to speak on the relevance of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's philosophy in the present scenario. Sir, now the time is over to you, sir. Please.
Thank you, sir. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Happy Librarians Day once again to you all. Respected Principal and the President of DKKLA, Dakshina Kannada Kodagu Librarians Association, Dr. Ganapati Bhatt sir, and just now has spoken very good words about the library and librarian profession. And the principal of University College Mangalore, Dr. Ansuya Rai Madam, and my organizing secretary of this college, Dr. Vanaja Madam, and my friend, my beloved friends, Dr. Vasappa Gowda, Dr. Rajshekhar Kumbar, and all my friends, those who are joining this program. A very good organized program by Dr. Vanaja and DKKLA. I'm really happy to be here, and it gives me an immense pleasure to be a part of this program. ಖಂಡಿತ ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಗೌಡ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ keynote speaker or a resource person ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ I readily accepted, for which I must be grateful to you all on behalf of my friends and others and the association. Today I am more welcomed by your association works which you are taking up every year. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vanada, once again, by giving me this opportunity to speak before you people. Anyway, today's topic, the most relevant topic also. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು we are speaking about online. Of course, ಈ pandemic situation ಅಲ್ಲೂ it has become part of our life also. Online ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ see the relevance of Ranganathan's philosophy or principles and our kalpanegalu, how far it is relevance to this present scenario. This is the topic. It's a very good topic, no doubt in it, and it's my pleasure to speak about this topic and theme, which gives me a pleasure also. Yes, my dear friends, libraries are well said as heart of the institution. And no doubt, the library plays its vital role in academic institutions, R&D programs, and so on. Today, even the corporate sectors are also having very well-maintained libraries. And by the help of libraries, people are becoming more knowledgeable and performing well in their respective areas. So here, we can remember Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Without fail, we must remember him as he is the father of library and information science in India, because he is the father of library science in India. The library and librarianship is enlightened due to his principles and concepts, which are made the libraries are more important part of the system. Without the libraries, the system may be handicapped. One can notice in our colleges. Yes, we can definitely notice in our colleges. If a librarian goes on a long leave or transferred or deputed, it is a quite usual process. Immediately, at the head of the institution may ask him to hand over the charge to any one suitable person, because the user may be a student or a teacher. Demand for book and others, relevant periodicals like journals, research articles, bulletins, etc. for their immediate needs. See, this shows the importance of library. This shows the importance of librarianship, librarian. See, without library and without library resources, a institution is very hard to run the institution. Everybody knows it. Here, such a wonderful institution A part of the institution is a library. That is heart of the institution. It is no doubt the statement heart of the institution is really it's a most art, and everybody agrees with this. Such an important part of a library is a part of the college, or part of the institution, or part of the system. It may be. Such a way, libraries are playing its dominant role as the heart of the institution. So, how how we can definitely this Dr. Ranganathan's principles are relevant in this present scenario, in this present digital era. Let's go with that. See, let's have some brief note on the Dr. S. R. Ranganathan. Of course, nowadays we see a few users, hardly few users used to go to the library, as Madam said earlier. Of course, very few members may visit the library. There is no doubt. There is lot of reasons behind it. There is lot of none. I don't blame anybody here. Of course, the situation is so very hard. Hardly few users may visit the library due to many reasons. Let it be. Let us not go to that point. My focus is on Ranganathan's contribution in development of libraries and the librarianship and their services. As we all know, Dr. S. R. Ranganathan was a mathematician, and it's a really a proud field ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತೂ it should be a proud field, no doubt in it, because he served in this college as a mathematics teacher. Really, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಮಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಿಜ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Being a father of library and information science in India, he served in Karnataka, not only in Karnataka, in many parts of our India. In many parts of our India, he served as a librarian, and he has given many contributions to the entire nation, so that our nation definitely declared him as a father of library and information science, no doubt in it, and awarded, as our Vasapa Gowda said in his master of ceremony, many awards, and India, the government of India has declared him as awarded him as a Padma Shri award, and a post stamp also they got. Actually, it's such a great personality he was. Such a great personality he was, because his thoughts and his intentions, his context, all are regarding the development of library. As we all know, Dr. Ranganathan was a mathematics professor and inclined towards the librarianship, and changed his profession as a librarian in 1924 in the Madras University. The development of modern libraries in India was very slow. Before he became a librarian in 1924, the status of libraries are very bad and slow, and not up to the mark when he was a librarian. Because, see, it's by the day, there was no such any good libraries in the colleges. By the time he took over the charge as a librarian, and he started thinking the development of libraries and librarianship and their services. Of course, we might have noticed that or learned in our ancient India, many universities like Takshashila, Nalanda University libraries, they are very good libraries they are having, and many scholars were visiting the libraries for their higher education, for higher studies. By that time, we were having a very world accepted, very well world known libraries we were having in our ancient India. No doubt in it. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಮಾನನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯಗಳು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಂಥಪಾಲಕರು ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ over the years and centuries, they are vanished, they are neglected, or they are cornered due to many other reasons. But when Dr. Ranganathan became a librarian in 1924, he started thinking the importance of books, that is library and their development and their services. He went to London, as Vasapa Gowda told, he went to London for his higher education in library and information science in the University College of London, and he he started there his studies, and he was scholar like anything there. And he developed colon classification. All of us know it, how far it is relevant to the entire field of library and information science professionals. It is a depth classification, and it was very well accepted by all over the world by our professionals. It's such a depth, very good classification which covers entire field of knowledge. Entire field of knowledge. Such a way, he developed that colon classification and the classification code also, CCC, and all of us knows and also, and I need not to tell you all about all these things. And such a way, he developed the libraries and librarianship and librarian profession in India, which is admired by all the professionals all over the world. Later on, Dr. Ranganathan, as a librarian, started thinking about the development of libraries and libraries in India. Here we can just think that how he was passionate about the libraries and librarianship. That passion is very important. Of course, we are all librarians out here, and we are all doing a lot of works in the colleges. But the perception and the work almost definitely there should be something different. But he's outstanding librarian. How was the outstanding librarian? His thoughts, his concepts, really admirable, adorable, no doubt in it. And he started that by looking at his chronology, as Mr. ವಾಸಪ್ಪಗೌಡ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರು, ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರು, ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಗೋವಾ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ S.R. ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ಇದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ how he was inclined towards the libraries and how he was passionate about the libraries. Such a way, he dedicated his total life to the libraries. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ 1900 ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು 31ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 27-28ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಸರ್, ಅವರು 5 laws of library science ನ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 5 laws ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ 1941 officially that the library 5 laws of library and information science, that is ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. Books are published, every reader his book, every book has its reader and say the type of the reader, and library is a growing organism, no doubt. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲಾನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೆನಾರಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಥೀಮ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಥೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈ ಥೀಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ದ 5 laws ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1927-28 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಈ 5 laws, ಈವನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ his thoughts, his contents, and his context, his principles are most relevant. Without these 5 laws, no libraries exist, and there is no meaning in the maintaining a library without these 5 laws. Even in the digital era, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇರಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಈ 5 laws ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಅವತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 7-8 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಚುರಿನೇ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಈ 5 laws ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ his thoughts were like that, and which are relevant even today and even in the future also, I hope. Even in the future also, I hope. Such a way he developed that 5 laws. Books are for use. What is the books? As we know all, it is knowledge, it is an information, it's a document which gives us everything what we need according to our interest. Such a good informative, such a good document, and it is for use. Information, it's for use. So it is in the digital format now. That's it, nothing else. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ that then itself is told that books are for use. That means to say a digital library is for use. Digital library is for use. Any form of information now it is available in the digital format that is being used by many other users in the different sectors, in the different sections, by the different kind of users also. So instead of books are for use, that is in the information for use, or in the information which is in the form of digital content, electronic content. That is a first law. And every reader has his own book. Every information. See, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲದ ವಿಷಯ, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ರೀಡರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿ ನಾವೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಡ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ಯಾರು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಅದು ಎಂಟದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. So in such a fast manner information is generating, so that we must go with the every kind of information which needed according to our interest. So reader has its own information which is available in the digital format. And although every information has its own reader, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತ ಯೂಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. That should be also. So every information has its own reader, has its own pattern also, right? And save the time of, see, this is very, very, very important principle as per my knowledge. Because of course ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. As per my knowledge, books are forever, it is ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು books are forever, no doubt in it. But we must save the time of the reader. It's also one of the 5 important laws of our library and information science, which are generated by the great father of library science, Dr. S. Ranganathan, no doubt in it. And here we must mind it. We must save the time of this. See, when a fellow comes to the library and asking for the information, asking for any is need, ನಾವು ಇದಪ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. No meaning in that. We cannot fulfill the one of the law which is very important in the 5 laws. That is save the time of the reader. So by this digitalization of our information, digitalization of our libraries, digitalization of our resources, definitely can save the time of the reader. There we can satisfy this law here very well, without 100 out of 100%. This is my intention. This is how we can definitely, the Ranganathan's principles or the laws are relevant even today and even in the future also. That is my intention. And at last and final, our library final last law, which is 5th law, says it's a growing organ. See how beautiful it is. It is really beautiful. We are all living things. We are all living in the world, and one should grow. One should not stop his growth. That, sir, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯಗಳು ಜೀವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಜೈವಿಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಮರ ಹೇಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ನ ಹಬ್ಬಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಶೇರ್ many others and fruits, flowers, everything like that. Even the library also. Library is a growing organism. It never stops. It's not a stagnant, it's dynamic always. Like that, even already I said, every minute, every second, the information is generated. Information is blooming like anything. That even ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಈಗಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅದು ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. It is old news. Esto sari, of course, many of our friends, you might have noticed that in our WhatsApp groups, if a fellow posted one message, immediately some other friends, they used to say, it is a old news. Like that, there are live generation of information, generating of information, it is too much, and it's very fast. So, it is growing like anything. And by the way, this library science laws ಏನಿದಾವೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್.ಆರ್. ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿರುವ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ bylaws and library and information science are most relevant, most applicable, most adorable forever and ever. Thank you, Vanada, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity by this your great Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Society. I know ನಾನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ವಸಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ, ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, you are really dynamic as our Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. He was ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕುಂಬಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್.ಆರ್. ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಎಸ್.ಆರ್. ರಂಗನಾಥನ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಲೇಸಿನೆಸ್. ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ, and when he started DRTC in our Bangalore, we visited the DRTC center many times in Bangalore. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರ ಪಟ್ಟ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, of course he is also no more, and we must respect all such kinds of personalities today, because their contribution is lot more to our profession. Of course, there is no doubt in it. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ we are lagging behind due to many other reasons. That too I can definitely say, ನಾನು ವಾಸಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ heated documents ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, because of our librarians, professionals, problems ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. But whereas Dr. S.R. Ranganathan our passionate, ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, he was very much passionate about the libraries and the development of libraries. In such a ನಾವು ಆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಇದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, particularly Dakshina Kannada Kodagu Library Association, really you are doing marvelous job and you are doing really good, which it should be a model to any other district or university library association in Karnataka or in any other in the nation part of our nation also. Wonderful work you are doing, sir, and you please keep going on, and let you people be the model to any other professionals also, for which I will be really very much pleasured, and it is you have given me this opportunity to speak about this on this occasion, about the librarians, Dr. Ranganathan's principles and practices in the present scenario, how relevant it was. It is relevant for future now. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all once again. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Wonderful presentation by you, the great scholar forever. In fact, you have presented before us your bundle of practical knowledge over more than 35 years, 3.5 decades. Really, and I'm sure the Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association has selected a right person today, who is very fond of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's philosophies, and which is relevant yesterday, today, and tomorrow also. Even after 100 years, if you talk about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's philosophy of library science, it has no death. It has even 100 years or 500 years. The phylos of library science concept won't be raised by anyone, whoever who comes. Well, sir, you have presented before us your very practical, very knowledge-oriented, very experiences, a bundle of knowledge you have, and your professional practical experience you have presented before us. These concepts, in fact, very much relevant in this electronic era. As we are talking about, we are living in the global village, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Because when the click of the button, we can access any kind of information all over the world. For this, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's again, the concept applies here, the philosophy applies here. With this, very brief note about your talk, I very much thank you very much, sir, for being part of the success of this Ranganathan Day celebration this year. Today, the very auspicious day. Thank you very much, sir, for your very scholarly, practical oriented experiences you have shared with us. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. We are moving further to the next item. Before that, feedback form link is given by the organizers. I request, it is open now. I request all the participants to fill the form and also get the e-certificate. Now I request the organizing secretary of our association, who is the selection grade librarian of the prestigious University College Mangalore, where Dr. Ranganathan was sitting, and now Dr. Rekha, a very dynamic, our Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu Library Association member, and who is the librarian of that institution, to render vote of thanks. Over to you, Madam, Dr. Vanaja, Madam.
Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and great gratitude. Good afternoon to all. I dream with a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all thank Almighty God for making today's occasion resounding success. We are grateful to have our principal, Dr. Anasuya Rai, University College Mangalore, for her words of encouragement. Her able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank her for her kindness, interest, and continued support. I would like to thank our special guest, Dr. Ellaman Prasad, former librarian, Government First Grade College, Tumkur, and President of the Karnataka State College Librarian Association, for giving us an informative speech. On behalf of University College Mangalore and Dakshina Kannada Kodagu Library Association, I also express my heartfelt thanks to Sri Ganapati Principal, SMS College Brahmavara, and President of Dakshina Kannada Kodagu Library Association. I would also like to thank Dr. Rajshekar Kumbar, Librarian, Government College and Center for PG Studies, Tenkanudiyuru, Udupi, and Dr. Rekha Pai, Chief Librarian, MIT Manipal, for their support. And also thanks Dr. Vasan Vasudha, Senior Selection Grade Librarian, Besant Evening College Mangalore, for taking overall responsibility. And also Srimati Prabhavati, Librarian, Akshaya College, Puttur, for the wonderful prayer. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Bharati Pilar, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, and Guru Prasad, Department of Journalism, University College, Mangalore, for their technical support. My heartfelt thanks to the Library Committee members of University College Mangalore and Dakshina Kannada Kodagu Library Association office bearers and professional members, and for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. I thank all the professional friends and academician participants for your support and taking time to attend this webinar. But last not the least, I thank all of your cooperation in making this occasion successful one. Finally, I leave this inspiring quote by Zhuangzi. Great knowledge is universal. Small knowledge is limited. Great words are inspiring. Small words are chatter. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you very much, madam, for your words of appreciation as a vote of thanks. A special thanks to you also for taking up this responsibility to initiate to conduct this Ranganatha Day program of this year in your great institution where Dr. S.R. Ranganathan has served this the community. Thank you very much, madam. Before we conclude, I request library and information science professionals who have not become the members of the Kannada and Kodagu Library Association to enroll in yourself and involve in the professional activities. For further details, please contact the General Secretary of our association, Dr. Rajshekhar Kumar. Here we conclude our program. Once again, again, thanks to each one of you for being part of the success of this webinar. Thank you very much. Let us pray God to get rid of the entire COVID-19 pandemic and allow us to live in the normal situation to conduct the various professional and academic activities. Once again, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. Thank you very much. I leave as the master of ceremony. Thank you very much.